Hello techies, welcome to my channel Techie Tech Place once again. And to start with my series Mojo Programming Language, how to start the Mojo Programming Language. In this series, I brought a very interesting basic examples, basic programming techniques, how to develop the programs, how to write the programs, and everything we are going to discuss in these tutorials. And before that, before we jump in on this tutorial, I would like to show the overview of my official website, which we have launched recently. And there on this website, we are going to put all the tutorials, all kind of basic tutorials here, so that you can learn the programming languages from scratch without any help. And this is completely free of cost, of course. Okay, now as you can see my screen, this is my official website. On this official website, we have covered so many subdomain websites are also here. Like first subdomain is website. This is mainly basically this website covers all the vast topic here, and each and every subdomain is a specific website where we are going to cover the code is specific for kids. We have so many other websites as well. Okay, now you can see here this one is basically, this is the subdomain code.openchoicelearning.com. Here we are going to put all the technical stuff for the developers. Each and every language we are going to slowly we are going to bring a lot of tutorials on this one, free of cost. You can learn a lot of tips, tricks, everything will be there. And you can see here the Python, Streamlit, Django, Pandas, Mojo, and future upcoming technologies as well. We are doing a lot of R&Ds on these technologies, and we are putting everything to you in front of you in your plate, so that you can learn the latest technologies and you can fight with the latest market, right? Okay, now this is the main website. Actually, now to start with the Mojo programming series, actually I've already put a lot of a few videos on here. You can see here the introduction, how to do the setup. Since I'm using a MacBook, I have given the steps for how to download the Mojo programming language in your MacBook PC. But Windows installation step is also easy. What you can do, I'm going to put those as well in future. But for now, what you can do, you can go to modular.com. From there you can download the specific system specific SDK module for the Mojo, and then after you can start doing the development. Now for today's agenda is how we are going to do the setup the Mojo extension in Visual Studio Code. Okay, now I'll just switch back. Once everything is installed here in your local, the Mojo is installed to your local system, then what you need to do in this case, just open that particular code editor, Visual Studio Code editor here, and then after just look for this extension. You can see here, this is the extension icon. Just click on here and just search for Mojo here. Once you search for Mojo, this prompt will open here. You can see here this Mojo is with the logo, fire logo, it is showing here. Okay, I've already installed it, that's why it is showing uninstall. For you it will be showing install. Just click on that, install to your locally, and once this Mojo extension is installed, and few things you need to do to compile the Mojo programs, right? Then requirement is that you have to set the modular home to your local environment, and then after you have to set the path as well to your local environment, so that Mojo SDK libraries can be used while doing the compiling the program. Okay, for that purpose. Okay, now what you need to do, just need to create one project to your local directory here. Just create one project, and then after you can create one Mojo file here, hello dot. You can create this is what very interesting programming language where we are going to use the emojis as a file extension. Here you can see here the hello.mojo is used here, and just simply I'm writing one function. This is basically a duplicate of this Python. Actually what is basically exactly similar like Python, but the little bit syntax is different here. To create a function here, function main, and then after we are just printing one statement here, hello world. Once everything is done, just save the program, and then after you can execute this program using Mojo hello.mojo. Look, that's all. That's how we can do the Mojo programming language. And slowly we are going to bring a lot of tutorials on this, because a lot of things we have to learn in this one. So please subscribe our channel so that we can bring all kind of basic tutorials for you, free of cost, everything. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel.